guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time tuning in. I am Gillian and today's video is gonna be a good one. I am doing a what I eat in a day raw vegan video. I love making these videos for you guys, so I'm gonna show you a sample of what I currently eat in a day. Make sure you hit subscribe because I make these videos fairly often. If you guys watch my channel already, you know I have been raw vegan now for over 5 years, and it just gives me so much energy, so much life. I love eating this way each and every day. I will show you guys what I currently start with for breakfast. So again, if you watch my videos, you know most days for breakfast I eat fairly simple because that's what makes me feel absolutely amazing. So my breakfast lately has been not together, but throughout the morning up until lunchtime, I've been eating Honeycrisp apples, which are my favorite apple, and apples are great because they prevent the growth of bad bacteria in your gut. So they are so healthy. So I also have bananas, which are really good. And to me, this is when bananas are perfectly ripe, when they have the brown spots on them as well. They're easier for our body to digest, and bananas have components in them which also feed your good gut bacteria, so they leave you feeling happy. That's why they're kind of shaped like a smile. They leave you feeling in a good mood. And then also in the mornings lately, I like to take the time to make a green juice. I know it can be a lot of work, but it just leaves you feeling so electric and amazing. And I feel like when you start your days eating healthy in the morning and through lunchtime, then you're way more likely to stay committed through the day and into the evening because you just feel so high off the foods and so good that you don't want to change that. You want to stay on track. A green juice is a big thing for me, and it is just does so much to your cells, feeds you so much life. It makes you feel incredible. This is my signature, my favorite. I've posted on my channel many times. I love it. It's what I usually make. It's easy to make and it's delicious. So anybody I make this for, they love it even if they don't eat this way. Anyway, this one is so easy. It is zucchini, cucumber, celery, romaine, lemon, ginger, and then a little bit of parsley I put in there too. So good, you guys. Again, the mornings are very simple, as you can see, because that's what makes me feel my absolute best. The simpler I eat, the better I feel. And in the mornings, I like to accomplish a lot, be very productive, work on my channel, work on other things. And I just feel like I have the most creativity, the sharpest mind, the most energy, and the most inspiration when I eat very simple like this. That's it for the mornings. We will get into lunch now, which is a little bit more exciting and absolutely delicious. This is the amazing salad. It is a very high protein salad too because it has spinach, pumpkin seeds, other nuts. It has broccoli in it, which is great source of biotin as well, which is good for your hair, great source of protein. But the biggest thing which I love about this salad is it has kelp noodles. So I don't know if you guys eat kelp noodles. If you do, give this video a big thumbs up because I've just started eating kelp noodles the last couple weeks. I love them. They are absolutely delicious in a salad, and part of the reason I've been buying this to-go salad is because I haven't ever prepared kelp noodles on my own before. So I am going to look in how to do that. If you know, definitely comment down below. Okay guys, so in the afternoon after I eat the salad, whenever I get hungry next, I wait till my body tells me it's hungry, whenever the food has digested. When I feel hungry next, lately I've been enjoying for my fruits in the afternoon, some passion fruit, which is so delicious, and also some figs as well. So I don't know if you guys have tried these. Give this video a big thumbs up. They're so delicious. So passion fruit, I will show you, is loaded with antioxidants. Cut it like this. It is so delicious. If you guys haven't tried this, I recommend it so much. And I just want to say too, I do have a kid's book, Princess Papaya's ABCs of Happy Food. So my book teaches kids from A to Z all about these healthy real foods. So I have passion fruit, figs, all these things in there. It teaches the kids how much happier they feel when they eat them. So you can find the link in the about section on my channel, but it's definitely a great book if you have any kids in your life, and I just think it's so good to get the education of these foods around our children. This passion fruit, I don't know how to explain the taste. It is so delicious and it's so easy to eat. And it's great to incorporate these different foods into your life. So this is why I love making these what I eat in a day videos, because I switch up how I eat quite often and all the time. It's not good to eat the same thing every day. It's really good for your gut microbiome to switch it up. And it's a proven fact, the longest living, healthiest people on the planet, they have the most diverse gut microbiome. And the best way to eat that is to eat a diverse range of plant-based foods. And that is what I do, and I love it. So anyway, with the passion fruit, yeah, you just cut it in half like that, or I think you can maybe cut it from the top too. And you scoop out the seeds just like that. And you eat it. It's so good, you guys. So anyway, so delicious. It's really hard to explain the taste, but really, really satisfying and sweet, but in a very good way. So they're also very high in fiber. And then figs I've been enjoying lately. I mean, there's such a variety of different figs you can get. I love green figs too, but I haven't seen them this week. And with figs, they're so good. They're great at lowering blood pressure too if you have high blood pressure. And they are a great source of magnesium, which is so important for our body and for ourselves. So with the figs, you just split them in half like that. If you're not aware, you might already be aware. And then I just eat them like that, and you can eat them with the skin. I love eating them like that. So the only part of the fig that I don't eat, like you don't want to eat, is obviously just like the tip here. So usually when I eat one, I'll like twist the tip off, split it, and then eat it like that. They're a great snack to have on the go, and they're so delicious, you guys. Here we are at dinner. So this is not a traditional dinner I've been making lately, but it is so very satisfying and so healthy and so delicious. So what I've been doing is a beautiful, massive veggie platter with all fresh veggies and a delicious dip. It is one of my favorite dips in the whole world, and it is so easy to make. It is a raw vegan ranch. It is so good, and I can just make it in this little blender right here. You don't have to use like your fancy Vitamix or whatever. You can have any blender. This dip will work in it. So I will show you what I do with this. It is very addictive and very delicious. And then after that, I will show you guys what I've been eating for dessert as well, which is so good. The completed veggie plate. I love this wooden veggie tray. So I just like to do a variety of organic fruits and veggies. And again, like I feel so good after I eat this. These foods are loaded with the enzymes and life force. So you truly feel so good. And pairing them with a delicious dip, it just makes for an incredible experience. Here is this raw vegan ranch dip that I just threw together. It takes you literally, maybe it takes you like 30 to 60 seconds to make. And it is so satisfying and so good. So what I put in the blender for the raw vegan ranch, I actually have a video I did a lot, like when I first started my channel, raw vegan ranch. I'll link it below, but I tweak it a little bit for a veggie dip and add more hemp seeds. So what it is, it's equal parts apple cider vinegar and squeezed lemon juice. So squeeze a lemon. Usually use about a quarter of a cup or a third of a cup of each, and then a bunch of hemp seeds. I don't know, I didn't really measure, but just whatever hemp seeds you think to blend it to whatever thickness you want. Quite a decent amount of salt. It gives it that nice ranch flavor. A decent amount of pepper and some dried herbs. I use dried basil, dried onion, and dried garlic, and then 1 to 2 dates. So it's the perfect taste. It is so good, so satisfying. And it just makes eating these veggies, like I said, an incredible, awesome experience. Really satisfying dinner. And then, I mean, like how you eat today is how you will feel tomorrow. So when you eat this way today, you're just gonna feel amazing tomorrow. So it's worth adapting these health habits. The more you do this, the more you fall in love with these foods, your taste buds change, and you absolutely love it. And there's nothing more important than taking care of yourself. For dessert, I have been having this delicious chia seed pudding. If you know me, you know I am now hooked on this. I just discovered this year. It has been one of my favorite raw foods I've ever discovered and ever created. It takes no time at all, and it truly leaves you feeling so full. So a lot of people like this as a breakfast. I did this as a breakfast video too, but really you can eat it any time of day. And in my opinion, it is the most filling raw vegan food I've ever discovered. I know a lot of people struggle on the raw diet because they say I'm always hungry, but chia seeds are so filling. They're actually one of the top foods in the entire world for relieving constipation. So they're so good for your digestive system, and they really like get you going multiple times a day, which is how it should be. They're so high in protein and just have so many nutrients. So I cannot recommend chia seeds enough. And I'll tell you how I make this. It is so easy. So you take plant-based milk. I like to use almond milk, and you can use cashew milk, coconut milk, whatever milk you want. I use a cup of almond milk. I put it in. And then I do 4 tablespoons of chia seeds, the black chia seeds, which I order on Amazon. And then stir it really good. And then wait a few minutes, stir it really, really good again. Put the lid on, put it into your fridge, and it's ready in 2 hours. So again, such a high protein snack or meal. And then what I do before I eat it is I throw on a bunch of berries. So you could get creative and throw on whatever you want if you wanted to make this. But I just like it with blueberries. And if you like to sweeten it when you're making it, you can use maple syrup, vanilla, whatever type of sweetener you like. But I just like it like this. And again, you can get creative. You could do bananas, pink dragon fruit, all sorts of different things. I know some people like cacao chia seed pudding. And don't let the word pudding like kind of turn you off. I never used to like pudding when I was eating the standard American diet. It's not really like a pudding. I don't know how to explain it, but the way the chia seeds form with the almond milk, thicken it up, and when you eat it with the fruits, so good, you guys. Again, so filling, which is what I love about it. So lately I have been ending the day with that, feeling super satisfied. There you have it, you guys. That is currently what I have been eating in a day, a big variety of raw living fruits and vegetables, some nuts and seeds. It's been leaving me feeling incredible, leaving me feeling full, and just absolutely thriving, living and creating my best life. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big like, definitely subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.